I'm Rick Schumacher with LBM Journal, and I'm here to show you MILGARD's new AX650 moving glass wall, part of the Miter brand's family of windows and doors. The AX650 moving glass wall is massive, with maximum heights up to 10 feet tall and panel widths of 5 feet. The system is available in 3 premium configurations: pocket glass, stacking glass, and bifold glass doors. Homes that offer expansive views that succeed in bringing the outdoors inside are in high demand. This trend is known among architects and interior designers as biophilic design, an approach that connects people with nature by incorporating natural elements into homes and workplaces. As a literal moving glass wall letting in lots of natural light, MILGARD's AX650 is an ideal fit for homeowners who want to blend indoor and outdoor living spaces. Aluminum construction helps make the AX650's large size possible. As a framing material, it's strong and durable, it's lightweight and low maintenance, and because it mills cleanly into precise, clean profiles, it's ideal for modern design. Thanks to some engineering magic, the AX650 is also thermally efficient. The keys to its efficiency are dual glazing and polyamide struts that create a thermal break between the inner and outer aluminum. Polyamide is a high-performance polymer known for its high strength, durability, and elasticity. In the AX650, its job is to keep hot or cold temperatures outside, where they belong. These cross-sections of the frame components from MILGARD clearly show how the polyamide struts separate the aluminum frames. The metallic surface you see is aluminum. The dark bands are polyamide struts that form the thermal break between the inner and outer aluminum sections. The AX650 is available in 4 finishes: bronze anodized, satin anodized, warm tone, and white. And it's manufactured right here in the United States. Bottom line, MILGARD's AX650 moving glass wall is engineered for energy efficiency and designed to deliver amazing views. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.